I joined Solar Team Twente as a non-technical student because I wanted to contribute to sustainable mobility, and with an awesome team and an awesome car, I can do that in the marketing function.
In my bachelor's, I did a really challenging software project, which I really enjoyed. And then I heard about the robot team and the challenging AI project that we do here, and I decided that I wanted to join this.
So I communicate with people inside and outside the game in different ways to get the most out of them, and that's really interesting.
In this team, I learned how to manage a group of people with different backgrounds and nationalities, and to see how we can work together efficiently.
At first, talking to companies was a bit scary to me. It's like these big institutes you need to talk to. But it turned out it's just people, and you just need to talk with those people, and it's actually not as scary as it seems.
Solar boat is really exciting because we are combining a lot of different aspects of the technique, such as hardware foiling, the electric propulsion and the solar panels. That makes it just a really exciting and fun project.
It was very important for me to gain a lot of practical experience this year, since I think I did not have enough of this in my studies. Together with our partners, I created my own designs and I saw them go from a 3D model to an actual functioning part in our car.